Once upon a time in a meadow. She looked up at the sky. Birds are singing high above. Luna felt peaceful and calm. She wandered through the grass. The flowers whispered to her. The sun warmed her fur. She danced with the wind. The breeze carried her thoughts. Luna felt the call of adventure. She decided to explore the woods. The trees greeted her warmly. The air smelled of pine and earth. She trotted along the path. The shadows danced around her. Luna's heart filled with curiosity. She found a hidden clearing. The flowers here were bright. Luna sat in the soft grass. She gazed at the sky above. Her thoughts floated like clouds. Luna smiled softly to herself. The world was still and quiet. She decided it was time to rest. The stars began to twinkle above. She curled up under the stars. Luna felt the quiet of night. The moon rose slowly in the sky. The night seemed endless. Luna closed her eyes to sleep. She dreams of adventures. The stars watch over her. Luna floats among the stars. The sky around her is peaceful. She feels safe and calm. Luna smiles in her dream. The stars surround her softly. She knows she is never alone. Luna's dreams are sweet and bright. She dreams of flying through clouds. Luna sails through the sky. The clouds are soft beneath her. She feels the wind beneath her. Luna flies higher and higher. The world below grows smaller. She races through the skies. The stars begin to twinkle again. She dances with the stars. Luna twirls in the moonlight. The wind carries her dreams. She leaps from cloud to cloud. Luna rests on a cloud. She watches the moon rise. The sky glows with soft colors. Luna feels the peace of the night. She soars through the starry night. Luna feels free as she flies. The wind whispers around her. She glides like a bird. Luna watches the world below. She flies toward the horizon. Luna feels the cool night air. She passes through the clouds. The stars twinkle brightly. Luna feels at home among the stars. She flies through the Milky Way. Luna feels the universe call. She moves with the constellations. The galaxies spin around her. Luna smiles as she soars. She feels the power of the stars. The universe watches over her. Luna embraces the cosmic flow. She travels through time and space. Luna returns to the meadow. The meadow is peaceful once again. She lies down on the soft grass. The wind whispers a lullaby. Luna closes her eyes to sleep. The stars sing her a lullaby. The universe embraces her. Luna dreams of distant lands. She explores new worlds. Luna discovers hidden places. She finds new friends. Luna plays with her new friends. They explore the dream world. Luna feels the magic in the air. The stars guide her path. Luna finds a magical place. She drinks from the glowing stream. Luna explores the enchanted forest. She follows a sparkling trail. The path leads to a hidden waterfall. Luna is amazed by the sight. The dream world fades away. Luna awakens in the meadow. She reflects on her journey. Luna smiles, ready for new adventures. The adventure continues.